Good morning, Jamaica and Jamaicans overseas who have been following the issue of our students in Ukraine. As you would recall, last night we were able to confirm that 19 students arriving from Kharkiv had joined 4 students in Lviv, where they were to spend the night in order to proceed towards the Polish border this morning, or towards Poland this morning. I was very pleased earlier to be advised that they had been joined by another student that had not left Kharkiv at the same time, but was able to join them in time to leave on the bus this morning. So 24 students were proceeding towards the Polish border by bus this morning. Regrettably, that journey was disrupted. So by way of update, I'm advising, and my best information is that apparently citizens were angered by the bus overtaking traffic. It is not clear to me whether this is vehicular traffic or foot traffic, as we have all been seeing the images of long lines of people proceeding both on foot and by vehicle towards various border points in order to leave Ukraine. In any event, it appears that they would not permit the bus to continue, and the students had to determine whether they would remain on the bus and go back towards Lviv, or they would exit the bus and proceed on foot. They determined that they would take the latter course. It is a 20-kilometer journey, so it is by no means going to be easy, but they are proceeding on foot. So I'm asking for your continued prayers for their safety, for their well-being, and for their strength as they proceed on this journey. As you might know, or by way of confirmation, we have made arrangements for them to be met on the other side. We have sent their names to the Polish Ministry of Foreign Affairs to confirm their safe passage, and we've made arrangements for them to be accommodated on the other side. So we will continue to keep you updated, but please be aware that the students are safe, but proceeding by foot on the way to Poland. Thank you so very much for your continued thoughts and prayers.